But we've got some really fascinating guests. But if you'd like to contribute to it, just everyone leave you in an hour's time, get on their bikes, feel a bit more comfortable to have an AI type conversation.
Now we're up to ChatGPT 4 and Bard. That's 100 trillion parameters. The size and depth of that and the context of how it understands things, it's making predictions. It gives us responses and we think it's a human speaking to us, but it absolutely isn't. And this is another key aspect of this, that explainability is going to have to be prevalent. So if it's making life-changing decisions, credit, healthcare, marginal gains in sport, things like this, you need to explain it. You need to understand why it's made those decisions. And these are of such a massive size now that they can't quite crack the why it's done, why it's said the thing it said.
If it's right most of the time, how do you know when it's wrong?
Yeah. Well.
Hi, I'm Sarah Storey. We're here at the Lee Valley Velo Park and we're about to take all of the Appsbroker clients onto the track.
Because what I learned as a swimmer has set me up for 4 consecutive games and 12 gold medals on a bike. And I think that kind of consistency and ability to kind of work out what's needed and what's not needed to worry about. Obviously, a spectrum of AI, isn't there? And we utilise it to help us with training and to help us to understand what's happening to the data crunch. So to hear that you guys are involved with the regulation of that is very reassuring.
Hi, I'm James MacDonald. I'm just here with Appsbroker at the Velodrome in London.
But essentially, what do? You ride at 40 kilometres an hour, or thereabouts, which is basically the record for 24 hours. If I stop, I have to catch up that time, so it'll be very, very few stops in that time.
How do we avoid bias? Generative AI is creating content that by definition is indiscernible from human created content. Does the data set erode? It starts to learn from itself.
Thank you, John. That's a great question.
Yeah. So the echo chamber will exist. It will take a while for that to permeate on the size of these models.